You say you can't hook your modern cell phone up to your older radio in your vehicle? I say, hold on. Yes, you can. So, guys, what I'm looking at here is something you can easily buy off of Amazon. This is a some wind MF transmitter, and what this does is it puts out a Bluetooth signal that connects to your radio via one of the MF frequency channels. Let's take a look at how this works, guys. In the last video, I told you guys that you could disconnect your satellite radio, and you'd be able to disconnect your phone from being able to connect to your radio via Bluetooth. The reason we said this was what we know now about GM and all of their stuff is that their telemetric unit, which is found over passenger side behind the glove box, I already showed that in last video, and how to disconnect that was uploading data that they were then in turn selling. How we circumvent them from selling our data is we unplug the wires in that box. We left the antenna, we just unplugged the box. And what that does is disables the connection from that box to the rest of your truck. This Bluetooth device here allows you to connect your phone. You can even make phone calls with it if you would like, but this is a layer of separation between your truck and the devices. This can easily be unplugged at any time, and this doesn't transmit data, only through your Bluetooth device connecting from your phone, which is what I'm recording on, guys, and this device. This device sends the signal to your old school radio antenna that then gets picked up by this guy here. And you can play music, you can play, sound clips, whatever you want to do. So if you still want to listen to any of your podcasts or listen to anything off of your radio stations, whether it be iHeartRadio, Pandora, whatever you choose for music, or even YouTube music, you can still get that through your radio. And all you need is this device. This device costs you less than $75. You can buy different versions of this. I have chosen this one because this one works really great for what I do. And honestly, I would recommend this for anyone who still wants to connect their phone and listen to music while they drive. I don't necessarily like the call feature with this one. It is a little grainy and catchy, especially if this doesn't transmit a good signal to that. It might be hard to hear them. But we can find alternatives to the modern day tech, and we just have to be willing to look outside the box. This is a prime example of us looking outside the box to find this technology. And it's very basic to use. Anyone can use this. I could take this to any car that I go to. All I need to do is set the radio station and it'll work. It doesn't need to be in a specific vehicle. It's not programmed to the vehicle. There is no connection from this to my vehicle other than it sends that radio frequency to the radio antenna that gets picked up. Now, some people might say, well, if you're parked next to somebody in traffic and they got the same device, it might pick up that device and they could hear what you're saying. Possibly, but that range is very limited. And you'll tell that basically when you start using this, that the range doesn't extend too much farther than your own car. Now, if you are worried about it, then don't take the phone calls. We shouldn't be talking and driving anyway. It's not safe. And many big trucking companies have flat out told their drivers, don't touch your phone. If you touch your phone, we're going to fire you. So know that that is coming down the pipeline for most people. Hands-free has already become a big thing, so a lot of people are nervous about buying a vehicle that won't connect the phone. On older vehicles, your newer phones won't connect properly anyway. And I would rather have a system that doesn't sell my data and makes a side living off of my information, which is why I disconnected my system. Using this, I could hook it back up, but use the new system that I just showed you guys, and you would still have hands-free. Another way to have hands-free, just put it on speaker. Yeah, everyone in your car might hear your conversation, but if you have somebody in your car that wasn't supposed to hear the conversation, why are they in your car? Guys, I want to say this stuff is just nuts and bolts, and I'll see you on the next one.